Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve website security with Cloudflare, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Cloudflare website and create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Click on Add a Site to begin the setup process. Enter your website's URL and click Add Site. Select a plan that suits your needs, starting with the free plan for basic features. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. Review the scanned DNS records for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure all records are correct. Once confirmed, click Continue. Cloudflare will provide you with new name servers. Log in to your domain registrar's website. Navigate to the section for managing DNS settings. Replace your current name servers with the name servers provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes at your registrar. Return to the Cloudflare dashboard and click Done, check name servers. It may take a few minutes for the changes to propagate. Once confirmed, navigate to the firewall settings in the Cloudflare dashboard. Enable the Web Application Firewall, WAF, for added security. Choose the appropriate security level based on your needs. Consider enabling bot management to further protect your site from malicious traffic. Next, head to the SSL/TLS settings. Select the SSL option that best fits your website's requirements. Enabling always use HTTPS will ensure secure connections. Then, go to the Page Rules section. Create rules to enhance security and performance, such as setting up redirects. Next, explore the rate limiting feature to prevent abuse. Set thresholds for requests that trigger rate limiting. Now, navigate to the Access section to set up Cloudflare Access. This will control user authentication for your website. Configure user roles and permissions as necessary. Go to the Security tab and review the security settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.